Hello guys, welcome back. Let's solve this problem. Okay, I want to teach you, when if you see problems like this, how to approach them. Okay, we are given, the question says, given that 11 plus 11 p q r s t comma 29 are consecutive terms, okay, of a linear sequence, which is ap. Find the values of, so the sum of this. So we just need to find the value of p, q, r, s and add them, right? Now let's break it down. Remember, this is a linear sequence, and to find the nth term of an AP series of arithmetic progression, okay, that means a linear sequence, the nth term is given as a plus all into n minus 1 multiplied by d. These are all letters and numbers. What these letters represent, this a means is the first term of the sequence, n is the term given, okay, the nth term. Okay, so if you have 5 here, that means this is going to be 5, and d is the common difference, okay, between the terms. So if you have term a, term e, you subtract them, gives you the common difference. So once we know this one, then this question becomes so easy for us to solve. Let's look at it now. So if this is the first term, this is going to be the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth, and the seventh term. This is the seventh term here. So the seventh term is equals to 29. But now from this formula, if we need to find the nth term, which is the seventh term, so we say T7, which is just the seventh term, equals to, the first term is given as 11 from the question, which is the first term, plus the nth term is the 7 here. So this becomes 7 minus 1, okay, multiplied by the common difference, which is this d. We don't know, right? But what is the seventh term? The seventh term is 29, equals, so this is 11 plus, this is subtract, becomes 6d, okay? You are in need of the common difference. So if you need the common difference, this becomes 29. You bring this one here, this becomes minus 11 equals to 6d. It's so easy. You subtract this by this, becomes 18 equals to 6d. You are in need of d divided by 6. This by 6, this and this goes. So my d equals to 3. So that means my common difference is 3, right? If my common difference is d, if my first term is 11, p is going to be what? Just add plus 3. Then this again, you add plus 3. This again, you add plus 3. Okay? But now, if you don't want to do that, there is a longer method, a longer approach. But since this is basically objectives, we want to make it very fast. So let's just go. So if we add plus 3, this becomes 14. We add plus 3, this becomes 17. We add plus 3, this r becomes 20. We add plus 3, this becomes 23. We add plus 3, this becomes 26, as you can see now. And we add plus 3, becomes 29. But we are asked to find p plus q plus r plus s plus t. So let's see, p is 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 23 plus 26. Okay, so let's add all of that. Add this. This gives you 43 plus 26, and that gives me 69. Right? Now I will add this, and this gives me 31. So 31 plus 69 gives me 100. Okay? So that means the value of p plus q plus r plus s plus t is equals to 100. Okay? It's so easy. Just know the approach. This is the seventh term equals to this. But what is the term? Know the formula, know this, and know what each letter represents. Okay? Follow for more. Share this video, like, and comment. Okay?